In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play Anime Squadron on Roblox. It's going to be a full guide. We're going over everything you need to know. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, when you get into the lobby, you need to go ahead and first open up the units or summon menu. I'd recommend starting with summon just like so, and you need to summon in one of these guys. And essentially, this is going to be how you get your units. So wait for this entire cutscene to play. It takes a little bit of time every single time. Don't worry, we're going to make a full guide breaking down how to turn that off as well. But essentially, once you have your units, go ahead and open up your unit menu. And I recommend just hitting equipped best. And it's going to go ahead and always equip your very best as well. You're going to want to keep these guys on. Now, once you have your units, and of course, you will get better units the more you play, you want to go ahead and hit play just like so. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select create room and then choose story mode first. You'll move on to these later on, especially raids, because they're very useful. But you want to start on a story mode, and essentially what you need to do is just place your units on the map using your money or yen. Your units will then attack your enemies as they move through the path, and then of course you'll earn more money. And during that round, you just want to keep placing more of your units down or upgrading the ones you already have placed down as well. You can also use the speed button on the left hand side to make the game move faster, but your goal is to stop enemies from destroying your base, and that really is it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.